Hello everybody and welcome back. Today, peperonata on a crostino. Ingredients: 250 grams of tomatoes puree, 4 bell pepper, basil, garlic, 2 red onion and this fantastic bread. Let's cut our onion. Every year it's worth it for cut this onion. Nice and thin. Let's cut our pepper. That's my method. Cut a bit like this on the side, and then I open it like a flower. Voila! Then we finish to clean the pepper from the white part. And then we cut in slices. And our peppers are ready to be cooked. In a pan, olive oil. Let's mash the garlic. Our mashed garlic, medium fire. When the oil is hot and you start to smell the garlic, we start cooking the onion. Very important, don't burn it. It has to be a slow cooking, very gentle. We cook it for 10 minutes. Don't forget to mix them a bit sometimes. In this way, they don't burn for sure. What a smell. After 10 minutes, we can add our pepperoni. Black pepper, salt. Let's mix a bit. And we close. We cook for 10 more minutes, medium fire. 10 minutes has passed, and that's the result for now. Let's remove the garlic. It gave us everything. We add the tomatoes puree. Let's do a nice mix. A bit more salt. And now we let it cook for 15 minutes. I like the peperonata with a very thick sauce, but if you would like to make it a bit more liquid, simply cook it 2-3 minutes less, in the way that you like. Let's cut the bread. This is a fantastic bread. Let's toast it in a pan with olive oil. I have moved the peperonata in the other stove. So in this one we can add olive oil. And let's toast our bread. And voila! Now the other side. The peperonata is ready. Basil leaves out of the fire. Crush with the hands. It's another flavor. Much better, don't use the knife. Our toasted bread and peperonata on top. 1 basil leaves on top. And my peperonata on crostino. It's ready. Guys, this is my recipe for today. Don't forget to subscribe, to put a like, and buon appetito! Nothing to say. Too good. Ciao.